Hello, my Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. So, this is your January love reading for the month of January 2022. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So let's start your love reading for the month of January 2022. I have already got your angel messages, and these messages are very beautiful. First message I got for you is Mother, Father, and God. So you are one with Mother, Father, and God, okay, with the universe. Right now, you are in an alignment with the universe, with the divine, and your prayers have been answered, listened to the universe, by the universe, by the divine. And divine is asking you that they know that you exist, that you are asking for the support, for the help, for the guidance here. So you are one with the divine here. Next message for you is expect miracles, blessings, and abundance. So lot of miracles, blessings, and abundance is coming your way. So you have to open up to receive these blessings, miracles, abundance, and this is very beautiful. Okay, then I got the message of holy love. Okay, you are a divine love, and some of you are dealing with a divine relationship. Okay, a spiritual connection. Maybe this is a connection where you both are soulmates, both are twin flames. Okay, but you both are the divine counterparts of each other. This is the holy love, the pure love, the divine love. Okay, and you are a holy love, you are a pure love, a divine love. Then this is a sacred plan. Sacred plan, this is the divine plan. Okay, everything is happening according to the divine plan. 0220 is a recording reading time. Everything is happening according to the divine plan. So this is a divine plan. Okay, so have faith and have trust. So now let's see what are the messages from the animal deck. Okay, please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. There is a clarity which is coming for you. Ace of Swords is here. Okay, so there is a clarity, a truth, okay, which is coming here for you, Aquarius, in the month of January in terms of love. Maybe you require some kind of truth, clarity, and that truth is coming here. Okay, so let's see. Please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the important messages for Aquarius for the month of January 2022, which is important to deliver for my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Five of Spring, Ten of Autumn, High Priestess, Lovers, and the Emperor. Okay, any other message for Aquarius? Beautiful, balance. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Summer, that is Ace of Cups. So there is a cup which is coming towards you, Aquarius. There is star here, beautiful, that's your energy. There is a balance, there is a new beginning, new happy beginning which is coming here for you. You are about to take a big leap of faith with in a forward direction with your life. Worry will be replaced with optimism, fear, and hope, and joy is coming to you at the most. Maybe you are watching lot of blue butterflies around yourself these days. Blue butterfly, green butterfly, or orange butterfly. Okay, so maybe you are watching lot of butterflies these days around yourself. Your crown chakra is also getting open up here. There is lot of purple energy which I can see here. Okay, so pay attention to the butterflies here. Okay, I am getting that there is a balance which is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of January in your love life. Okay, by merging various points of view, now you can generate an extraordinary new ideas, compromise with others, and collaborate to discover a better solution. So create a balance here. Okay, so now you will be able to create a balance. Okay, maybe there was no balance in your love relationship, but now you are going to discover a better solution basically here. And there is definitely Ace of Swords and Ace of Cups. This is the beginning of new emotional experience for you, Aquarius, and it may be the first blush of romantic love, the rebirth of a current relationship, or the awakening of spiritual gifts and insights. Okay, so there is something which is, you see there is a beautiful new beginning which is starting for you here in the month of January. Okay, there is dove spirit, and dove is always represents peace, love, harmony, unity. So there is a clarity which is coming for you. There is a rebirth. Maybe if you are already in a relationship, there is a rebirth of your current relationship. Maybe there is an awakening of your spiritual gifts, your insights, your intuition, because here I'm having High Priestess too. Okay, so pay attention to your intuitions here. This is the time to pause and reflect, and not to take any action right now. Trust in your spiritual gifts, as nothing is hidden from your divine intuition. So follow your intuition right now here, Aquarius. Okay, maybe there are some conflicts which are going on in your life here, or some kind of competition. I can see here there is some kind of competition, drama, fighting which is going on here. Okay, with the Five of Spring, which is Five of Wands. So occasionally maybe you are experiencing some kind of clashes with others, but if you decide the matter is worth your energy, then do what you can minimize the conflicts without sacrificing your own goals or beliefs. Okay, so that's the message I am receiving here. Okay, so this is beautiful message here. And now let's see message, and you have to work on your root chakra here. Okay, work on your root chakra. 0707 is a recording reading time. Then there is 10 of autumn, which is 10 of pentacles. Okay, golden retriever dog. So maybe you are you already have golden retriever dog, or you are watching lot of golden retriever dogs around yourself, and the animal spirits, the golden retriever dog animal spirit is trying to tell you that contentment comes from knowing that your finances are secure and your family material needs are taken care of. It is important to honor traditions and have pride in your heritage and accomplishments of your ancestors. Okay, so this is very beautiful things which are coming up for you here. You have to decide that whatever conflicts you are right now facing in your life, or clashes with other people in your life, you have to decide that matter is worth your energy or not. Okay, and if that person is worth, then you have to make the minimize, what you can do to make the minimize conflicts without sacrificing your own goal and own belief systems, because here you have to create a balance by merging various point of view here, Aquarius. Okay, now you can create an extraordinary idea. So compromise with others and collaborate to discover a better solutions, if that experience is if that matter is worth your energy. Okay, and then there is Lovers, Emperor, and the Star. So this is definitely a new beginning which is coming for you here. Okay, there is Lover here. True and long lasting love find its way into your life. Follow your heart with caring actions and desires. So definitely there is a love which is coming for you with the Lovers. Okay. And this is a true and long lasting love which is coming for you. Okay, and there is Emperor here. So you have to surrender. Structure and organization are important right now, so don't be afraid to take a leadership role, as you have much wisdom to offer. So take control of your life here, Aquarius. Okay, be the emperor of your life. Okay, organize your life, organize your relationships, organize your situations here, whatever situations you are facing right now. Okay, make a structure and organization here right now, and don't be afraid to take a leadership role. Okay, don't be afraid to take a control of your life, because you are the creator of your own life. Okay, then there is Star, and that's your energy here. Okay, this is you. So you are about to take a big leap faith with a forward with the life. Basically here worry will be replaced with optimism, fear with hope, and joy is coming to you. So this is very beautiful messages which are coming here for you. So you are right now awaiting for results basically. Okay, maybe right now you are facing some kind of challenging times here, Aquarius, but do not worry, expect miracles. There is lot of blessing and abundance which are coming up for you. There is clarity, truth which is coming up for you. There is Ace of Cups. Okay, this is the beginning of new emotional experience which is happening in your life. Rebirth of a current relationship if you are already in a relationship, and if you are not in a relationship, then there is a new love which is coming up for you. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages from Heart to Heart Tarot deck for my Aquarius for the month of January 2021, sorry, 2022. Okay, please guides, God, spirits, angels, vary every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages. Take the lead, be the emperor. Okay, take the lead. That's the message I'm receiving here. Again, you have to be the emperor of your own life. You have to take the lead here. 11:11 is a recording reading time. Take the control of your life. Okay, Aquarius, be the emperor, take the lead here. Let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Dreams coming up. Okay, so there is beautiful wish fulfillment which is coming up here, which is coming true here for you, Aquarius, in the month of January. And this is beautiful because here I can say that there is lot of blessings and abundance which are coming up for you. So there is some kind of wish fulfillment which is coming true here in the month of January in terms of love. Okay, so there is a wish fulfillment which is coming up for you. Right now you have to be open up. Okay, be more open up here. Maybe you are holding back your energy and you are not ready to open up, but you have to be open up because this is your dream coming true here. Okay, and detach is also a message, but I'm not going to take it. But you have to detach here and trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Detach from the outcome, detach from the result here. Okay, so let go of the control issues basically. So let's see what are the messages. Heart chakra, and there is observe. Okay, so your heart chakra is getting activated, it is getting opened here. Your heart chakra is opening up. Maybe your heart chakra was not open, not activated before, and because of that you were not ready to open up, but now you are opening up because your heart chakra is getting open up here. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicity of 444. See, trust is coming again. So you have to trust here. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. This is a sacred plan, this is a divine plan. Have trust, have faith in the divine. Okay, everything is happening according to the divine plan and with the divine here. Then there is observe. Observe the situation from the third party situation, from the third point of view, from the third person point of view, not as a participant. Okay, observe the situation from the observer point of view. Okay, from every angle. Can you see? From every perspective, from every angle here, you have to observe the situation here. What is the message for Aquarius? Okay, the Scaral chakra activation is also happening here. Okay, move towards love here. Okay, there is love which is coming up for you, and you both are, can you see this in this whole in this both picture? There is a love which is coming up for you, but for that you have to move towards the love. Okay, can you see there is a commitment, there is some kind of new beginning which is coming up for you here, Aquarius. Okay, any other message? And this relationship is long lasting. Okay, see, 444, I can see joy and stability is coming up for you because you are following your intuition, you are working on yourself. Okay, any other message? new vitality. Beautiful reading here, beautiful reading. This is Ace of Swords, new directions. Maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days. Okay, that can also be a possibility. So this is a new passionate beginning which is coming, which is happening here in your life. Again, lead message is here again. Okay, you have to lead the way. Okay, there is root chakra, base chakra is also coming here. I told you, you have to complete your healing here. Okay, on the root chakra. So there is a new passionate beginning which is coming here for you. Okay, then there is a clarity, a truth which is coming up for you, Aquarius. There are 3 aces in your reading. Okay, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Wands. So this is very beautiful reading here. Please give me the message. Synchronize with the moon. Okay, so moon cycles are important for you. You have to synchronize yourself with the moon. Pay attention to the moon cycles, that whenever the moon cycles are happening, whenever there is a full moon or new moon, what you are experiencing, because moon cycles are very much important for us to get to know that how much inner work we have done. Okay, they are the best tool to decide that how much we have come, how much we have healed. Okay, and on what area do we need more healing here. Okay, then there is journal here. So write down your journal here. So write down a journal, a diary. Again, rainbow is here, so maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days. Okay, there is watch movie. Okay, so watch movie here. That's the message I'm reading, getting here. And here in this journal I am getting here a yin yang symbol, which is the balanced energy of, can you see there is a yin yang symbol? I hope it is visible for you. Okay, so this is a yin yang symbol in this way, in this picture, and this is the balanced energy of your inner masculine and your inner feminine energy here. Okay, so there is a balance, there is star, there is rainbow. So new beautiful blessings are coming up for you, so be ready here. You are creating a balance between a yin yang energy. Okay, there is King of Cups. Okay, so let's see messages from the tarot also. Temperance. Beautiful. There is someone from your past which is coming back here, Aquarius. Okay, but you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Definitely there is some kind of 5 of Wands energy which is happening here. Okay, there is some kind of fighting, drama, competition, arguments, conflicts which are happening in your life right now. Okay, but there is some kind of celebration which is going to come here. Okay, there is celebration, 3 of Pentacles and the Fool. So you're going to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. There is 2 of Cups again here, 10 of Cups. Maybe you are already married with this person. Okay, the Page of Cups, or you are going to get married with this person in the future. Okay, 6 of Cups is also here again. So I was having 6 of Cups. Okay, so this is someone from your past which is coming back, and this is also a soulmate here. Okay, and this person can be a water sign. Okay, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but this person loves you a lot. Okay, and right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience here, Aquarius. Okay, because this is a divine connection and divine is protecting you both. And 2 of Cups energy is here again. Can you see the Lovers, the 2 of Cups? So this is a divine connection. You both love each other. You both want to share your cup, your emotions with each other here. And they see you as someone who is an Empress right now. Okay, they know that you are very caring, mothering energy here. You are the Empress here. And but you just need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction with the Fool energy. Okay, so be the Fool, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Maybe you receive some kind of small message, apology, sorry from this person with the Page of Cups. Okay, but there is lot of celebration which is coming up for you, so be ready. 3 of Cups and 10 of Cups, lot of rainbows. Okay, lot of rainbow I can see in your reading. So this person, maybe you are going to get married with this person here, but right now you are in the energy of King of Swords and you already know the truth here. Okay, King of Swords is someone who knows the truth here. Okay, maybe you are juggling between two situation or two ideas, or something between two things. Okay, so you already know the truth that who is this person, or this person loves you a lot, or you want to get married with this person or have family with this person. Okay, or you both love each other. Okay, but do not focus on the past. Okay, 5 of cups energy is coming here. So don't be sorry, sad, remorse, guilt on those things that which already happened in the past. Okay, so that's the energy I'm receiving. Because of that, you are spending sleepless nights, you are not sleeping at all. Maybe this person is offering you the cup and you're not ready to accept the cup with the 4 of cups. So there is an offer which is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, there is a truth, there is a clarity, there is an offer which is coming. Yeah, your ships are coming here. Okay, 3 of wands, your ships are coming, but you have to be open up to receive the opportunities, the blessings, the abundance which is coming towards you. Okay, again the 4 of wands is here. So again this is stability, marriage, celebrations. Okay, also this is a marriage, twin flame cards here. 2 of wands, again the star card is here. So you have to make a decision, Aquarius. You want new hopes, new desires, and these things are coming your way, but you have to make a decision here. Okay, so make a decision and move in a forward direction. Okay, see, lovers is here. This is the lovers, this is a divine connection you are dealing with, and here I'm having 9 of wands. Okay, this is the wounded warrior here. So you are standing straight and you're saying, no, I'm not going to give up. Right now many of you are the single Aquarius, but this is the lovers. Again lovers is coming here. Okay, so this is the true and long lasting relationship, love, which is finding its way into your life. So you have to follow your heart, Aquarius. Okay, follow your intuition, follow your heart with caring action and choices. Okay, so this is the lover here. So this is very beautiful reading. So anything else I need to let me see the advice. 4 of Pentacles is here and Justice wants to come out. Okay, so this is the justice which is serving in your case, Aquarius. This is the karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. But do not hold back here. Okay, with the 4 of Pentacles, do not hold back. Okay, take the lead, do not hold back. Open up yourself here. Can you see? You have to be more open up, open yourself. Okay, so this is what I am having here, Aquarius, for you. Okay, so I hope I help you out in some manner. So be open up, Aquarius, move in a forward direction, use your intuitions. Okay, there is a clarity, there is a truth, there is beautiful things which are coming up for you. Maybe right now some of you, Aquarius, you are in a hangman situation, you do not know what to do. But can you see in this image there is a light which is glowing here in the head? So you already have an idea that what you do. So there is definitely a star, there is big positive changes which are coming up for you. You just have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Whatever you are worrying, okay, that worry will be replaced with optimism, fear with hope, and joy is coming to you. Okay, so this is definitely beautiful reading for me, Aquarius, and I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, and happy energies to all of my Aquarius who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.